Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video, I'm making hot wings on the Weber kettle. Gonna season them up with Sucklebuster's Texas Pecan and Sucklebuster's Bam for a little habanero heat. Also gonna sauce them with a Whataburger buffalo sauce. It's sold at HEB. If you never had the Whataburger buffalo sauce, you need to try it. It's really, really good. On top of that sauce, after it sets for a little bit, I'm gonna finish them off with the Sucklebuster's Peach Glaze. It's gonna be money. Stick around. Alright guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to hit it with this extra virgin olive oil. Hit these wings lightly coated. They're going to hit it with some Texas pecan, a little Bam, a habanero in there for the heat. We're going to go with some Whataburger buffalo sauce after they're done on the grill, and then a peach. Alright guys, let's just do a little coating on here. This actually will help crisp the skin. If you don't know that already, I'm sure you probably do, but if not, you will now. Alright, just gonna give these a light toss in this oil. Kind of let's let them go a little all over the place. Just get a good coating all the way around, best you can. You know, they're gonna get that flavor in there. Like I said, mainly just to help. The olive oil will help the skin, as I said, with the crispiness, but it'll also act as a binder. Get over here for the rub. All right, they look pretty well coated. Okay, now go with the Sucklebuster's Texas Pecan. As you can see there, it's good on pork and chicken. I've actually used it on beef too. It's pretty good. A little liberal with that. And this Bam habanero, that's got some heat. Now that's good on everything as well. All right, simple coatings. All right, I'll kind of toss them around, flip the other side, do the same coating, and we're going to take them outside. I'm going to let them sit for about maybe 10 minutes, not that much. They'll be good and ready to rock. All right, guys, we're out here, and as you can see, the temperature is way over 500 degrees, which is fine because I actually banked all the charcoal in the middle of the Weber, kind of like a vortex, you know, poor man's vortex. You know me, I always season my grills with onion. We're gonna put the wings on the outer perimeter, and man, that is hot. Finish it with that onion there in the middle, and we're gonna get these drumettes on. You can hear that sizzle already. And I like the drums more than the flats, I gotta say. It's just a lot easier and cleaner to eat. Just a quick appetizer, throw down. If you don't like chicken wings, something wrong with you. And one more right there. We'll let them go right there. All right, gonna finish them off or dust them off again with a little more Texas pecan, just for those sides that didn't get any. I'm not putting any more Bam on it because that Bam is very, very hot. You put too much of it, it'll get you. And we're doing the hot sauce, and wing sauce rather. There you go. All right, gonna cover this up, let it sit a little bit longer. Come back and check in about 10 minutes. All right, guys, you can see we're at about 460 degrees right now on these wings. And yeah, they're cooking up nice. Them turned around. You can see that. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm telling you, reaching over this coals here in the middle. What I did was I get 2 Weber baskets and I wind up, bunching them together. And it's working out really well. Well, these ones you can see in the light. Come to the light. There we go. Alright, guys. Let these finish cooking a little longer and we'll come back to them. Alright, guys, we're back out here. It's 400 degrees on the smoker, on the kettle. And as you can see, I've turned these around a couple times since we last came in, but I've got some Frank's Red Hot sauce sitting in here that we're just going to toss these wings in and then put them back on the grill. Okay, about 7 or 8 in there. Let's kind of toss them around a little bit, just like so. Oh yeah, good little coating on there. Don't forget, we're gonna come back with some Sucker Busters peach on here as well. And you're just gonna be on here just long enough to set. They're not gonna burn. Not gonna leave them on there any length of time. No more than just maybe 5 minutes, if that. Okay. That Whataburger sauce, you can do this with Frank's Red Hot sauce or any other sauces of your choice. But this Whataburger sauce is really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of these in there. Get some more of this Whataburger sauce from down here. Coat that up pretty good again. Buffalo sauce, Whataburger. Good stuff. Give those a little toss, a little coat. Yeah. Get these back on the grill. Suckers look pretty. Good color. These are gonna be good. Told you guys. I told you guys. Alright. So that's that. That fire is still blazing hot. Go ahead and get this on here. Set my timer for about 5 minutes. And not even that, maybe 3 minutes. Come back and we'll then put the glaze sauce on them. Okay. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. Let's get these boogers off of here. Oh yeah, that's set nice. You can tell just by looking at that. Now we're gonna hit it with some Sucker Busters peach. It's gonna go really good. Same thing in a bowl. And toss them around. Let them do their thing. And then back on the smoker or back on the Weber just for a few minutes. Oh yeah. This peach sauce, if y'all haven't tried this Sucker Busters peach, let me tell you, you're missing out. If you have a Sucker Busters near you, get online or go by and get it. If you don't have it near you, get online and get it. Trust me. There's actually another finishing glaze. I think it's a honey glaze that I'm gonna get next and play around with that. I know it's gonna be money. Sucker Busters say they just rock. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Church bells. Toss in there. Look at that. You see that? The only thing bad about doing this kind of cook with these glazes and sauces is it's gonna make for a bit of a longer cleanup on that grill. But that's all right. It's all worth it in the end. It's part of it, right? Part of it. All right, get these coated. Tossed around. Y'all seen that there or not? All right, guys, let's get these on here, and we'll take them off here in a bit, and we're going to sample them up. Cool. Catch y'all in a bit. All right, hey guys, we're done. Wings are done. Here's just one of the drumettes that I've got. Man, they smell delicious. I can't wait to give it a taste. That Whataburger buffalo sauce is excellent. That peach from Sucklebusters, that glaze, the Bam. Oh man, I can't wait. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah, oh yeah. God, that's good, guys. That flavor, that everything's just. It's got a heat from that Bam, that habanero seasoning that you want in a hot wing. That glaze, oh my God, the sweetness. Oh yeah. Stickiness. When you get sticky fingers from eating wings, you know you done them right. Tell you what, guys. You know you normally don't see me do this, but cheers. I've got a dozen more of these to finish off. Gonna go knock them out, get out of this hot garage, get into some cold AC. Catch you on the next one. I appreciate you guys hanging around. Let me know what you think. Really do appreciate all you guys.